JPP.
Look, nothing's promised in this world. We steady trying to fulfill our desires. Working for green, making that celery. See my brothers succeed. If I'm honest, I feel isolated, trapped like words inside parentheses. Let me breathe. Trust issues, I'm dope, but I'm misused. Trying to find peace of mind, small circle that I reside in. So when we blow, we be taking trips to Paris in the summer weather. My gen soon be draped in Margiela. Really, the money ain't the mission. Life only an intermission. Soon be benefiting from lyrics we spitting, but regardless, be winning. Why? God's got us. If He's for us, then who can stand against? And I pray for my brothers that they stay on the right path and trim stay sharp like the black keys, and stay wise like prophets, so we always see the signs. Yeah, yeah.
Star in the night sky, yeah. See in the blue sky. I'm a star in the night sky. I'm a star in the night sky. Stars in the night sky, yeah. See in the blue sky. I'm a star in the night sky. I'm a star in the night sky.
Man, I say running through these bands. Max and SD.
Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete.
Tap the moon on my phone and I goes for a while. Said I goes for a while. Used to feel her, now we don't converse. New girl rocks Reeboks, I like her style and she loves my verses. I'm still rocking with the same crew, rocking the same shoes, reminiscing, listening to our first tunes. Young boy, watching Kim post